Chris Dawson has been arrested in Queensland over the death of his wife Lynette and was denied bail as he is extradited to NSW. Mr. Dawson, subject of a podcast called The Teacher's Pet, was arrested by Queensland police officers at a home in Bigara Waters on the Gold Coast on Wednesday morning, at the request of New South Wales police. Mrs. Dawson disappeared in 1982. Her body has never been found. The 70-year-old former Newtown Jets rugby league player and high school teacher was expected to be charged with murder. Mr. Dawson appeared in the dock of the Southport Magistrates Court on Wednesday wearing prison greens, a short-sleeved top, shorts and no shoes, as police applied to extradite him to NSW. He kept his hands together in his lap and stared at the magistrate or down at the ground as his lawyer, Rachel Barnes, applied for bail on his behalf. Ms. Barnes argued that her client had a brother in NSW with whom he could live if bail was granted and said Mr. Dawson was happy to check in at a local police station regularly. She said her client had cooperated with detectives in the past and was happy to comply with any bail conditions imposed. He is concerned about the stigma that is attached to an extradition, she said. He does understand the seriousness of the allegations. After some deliberation, Magistrate Dennis Kinsella decided the court did not have the power to grant bail due to the case being in NSW. Mr. Dawson is due to appear in Parramatta local court on Thursday. Details of the police case against Mr. Dawson were revealed in court. He held his head in his hands while the allegations against him were read out. Police allege Mr. Dawson was in the process of divorce from his wife and he was having an illicit affair. They also allege there was evidence of domestic violence and the pair had been struggling to work out issues over outstanding property in the separation. Police will use previous interviews they had conducted with Mr. Dawson since